owned 50% by Barrick, 25% by 3 Pakistan federal state-owned enterprises, 15% by the province of Balochistan on a fully funded basis, and 10% by the province of Balochistan on a free carried basis. Balochistan's 25% share is fully financed. Never before has sharing of a mining venture in this manner been concluded in our industry. Following the reconstitution in 2022, we immediately set out planning the development of the mine into a world-class, long-life mine, which substantially expand both Barrick's strategically significant copper portfolio and its benefit to Pakistani stakeholders for generations to come. At the end of 2024, the feasibility study was completed, producing total contained, proven, and probable mineral reserves of 15 million tons of copper and 26 million ounces of gold. This mine is set to become one of the lowest cost copper producers in the world. And I would like to note that the bankable feasibility study focuses only on 5 porphyry deposits. Based on the prospectivity of the mining and exploration leases that are already defined, there is every reason to believe that Reko Diq will still be operating past the end of this century. First production is planned for 2028 and targets 240,000 tons per annum copper and 300,000 ounces per annum of gold during phase 1, and will grow to 400,000 tons per annum of copper and 500,000 ounces per annum of gold during phase 2. We have now entered the construction phase, having submitted the environmental and social impact study, filed the 43-101 report, and received the approval of the company's boards of directors. The ongoing development of this resource is a key milestone, not just for Barrick, but also for Pakistan and the province of Balochistan. And I am sure, as I said at the beginning of my presentation, Reko Diq will be the beacon that leads Pakistan into the ranks of the top global mining jurisdictions. Barrick has a proven track record of partnering with and fostering local suppliers worldwide, and we are applying these same principles and experiences at Reko Diq. Over the last 2 years, we have awarded contracts valued at millions of dollars to suppliers from the Chagai district and across Balochistan. Reko Diq will be a major contributor to Pakistan's economy and will have a transformative impact on the underdeveloped Balochistan province, where, in addition to the economic benefits it will generate, the mine will also create thousands of high-paying jobs, promote the growth of the regional economy, and invest in development programs. During peak construction, Reko Diq is expected to employ more than 7,500 people. And once in production, is expected to create approximately 4,000 direct long-term jobs. Barrick prioritizes the employment of local people and host country nationals at all our operations around the world. As part of this commitment, we launched the International Graduate Development Program for Reko Diq project in July 2023. Balochistan graduates selected from thousands of applicants embarked on an intensive on-the-job training program at Barrick mine sites throughout the world, including Veladero in Argentina and Lumwana in Zambia. 9 graduates have completed year 1 of the program. Another 18 have recently been selected. This hands-on experience is designed to equip talented youth from Balochistan with practical skills and insights into world-class mining operations. By the time we get to the final construction phase of the mine, we expect to have around 50 of these international graduate candidates. And at completion of the program, graduates are expected to return to Balochistan and the Reko Diq project, contributing to driving change in their communities. Their participation in the program not only helps to address the regional skills gap, but will create the foundation of management in Reko Diq based on local people. Our social investment and development plans were put in place well in advance of the start of construction. These have already improved the livelihoods of the local communities, providing access to clean drinking water, food, health, and education. We have already built and staffed clinics, a hospital, schools, technicons, and training centers. And one thing I'm particularly proud of is that most of the children now around Reko Diq go to school every day. And of those students, there are approximately 50% boys and 50% girls. Important initiatives are also being implemented to enable the development of local suppliers and service providers. These include supplier and vendor development programs, small business training programs, and local business incubation hubs. I can say confidently, ladies and gentlemen, there's still so much more to explore and invest in Pakistan. In total, just in the Reko Diq licenses, we have identified 15 porphyry bodies, and we're still finding more. Our geologists are actively evaluating these other bodies, which will certainly influence future life of mine plans and reserve and resource estimates. I always tell the team in Reko Diq is just a starter mine. There's lots more to come. There is substantial upside, and as I have already mentioned, while the feasibility study assumes a 37-year mine life based only on reserves, all indications suggest the mine could still be operating through the rest of the century. With this in mind, we are already looking to grow our footprint with new partnerships, again leading this region into the global industry of world-class mining. Since the reconstitution of the Reko Diq project and our collaboration with the governments of Pakistan and the province of Balochistan, we have been able to build a truly world-class and one-of-a-kind partnership to showcase to the world what is possible. There's a lot more to be done, and I again welcome you to Pakistan with its enormous mineral and metals endowment. I believe we are on the verge of something truly transformational, and thank you for joining us today and tomorrow. And I encourage you to be a partner in transforming this part of Asia into a new mining frontier which will benefit all stakeholders, and in particular, the people of Balochistan. Thank you for listening.